The Fab Five is what I'm calling us, and we're doing 5 do's and 5 don'ts. So we each picked a do and we each picked a don't. So the do's are do use red. All my colors will be listed in the description box. Use gold. Create a color, which this is the color I created. It's 3 different paints. Use a skewer, so I'm using the back of my paintbrush. And have negative space. Those are the do's. Don'ts. Don't do a ring pour. Don't have a square canvas. This is 16 by 20. Don't you use black or white base. Catrian. This was a tough one. Don't use a palette knife and don't use a hairdryer. So I'm going to do an open cup. Seems to be hot right now. And my base is going to be the red. So I'm a little nervous. I don't know if this is going to work. But here goes nothing. Some of this corner off camera. There's still a lot of paint on there, but there's still negative space. And definitely out of my comfort zone, but I do like it. Let's see. Gold cells. My homemade mixed color is popping up a little bit. I thought it would add contrast. I did make some gray, which, you know, but yep, here it is. So I do like it. The other one I'll show you later at another time. But thank you for pushing me out of my comfort zone, Katrine. I do actually like the red base, so Christine chose the red and Katrine chose the no black or white base, and I am pleased with it. And yeah, so go to the description box. I think Christy is next, but I'm not 100% sure, and I will show this to you dried. It should dry in time. Well, thanks everybody. 5 do's and 5 don'ts for 5 fab artists. All right, have a great day and peace everybody.